Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Tax Day. They mean big business for companies of all kinds when there is an astronomical increase in online activity. But even half a second of latency can degrade the user experience, hurting the business and its reputation. Because traditional data center security wasn't built for the hyperscale era, too many businesses are turning off security to preserve user experience, putting themselves in great danger of attacks and outages. Hyperscale data center architecture must securely handle massive spikes in activity and large data sets with the speed and performance required to keep business running smoothly. Let ISSQUARED introduce you to the Fortinet FortiGate Network Firewall, the world's first hyperscale firewall that's capable of securing hyperscale data centers and 5G networks while delivering the industry's highest performance with security ratings of up to 13x. So if you need hyperscale performance and security and can't risk poor user experience, turn to Fortinet partner ISSQUARED today.